Welcome to Durga Soft. Today, one student asked one doubt. He shared one joke in my regular Python sessions. Beautiful joke, beautiful joke, horrible doubt. Okay, without sharing with you people, I can't stop. So, the doubt is, our joke is, sir, I have Kala Sarpa Dosha, Naga Dosha, Sarpa Dosha. In Telugu, we can use the word Kala Sarpa Dosha, means Naga Dosham or Sarpa Dosham. I have the, can I learn Python or not? Because in Python logo, there are two snakes are there. Is there any harmful for me? Is these snakes are going to do anything wrong with me? Can I learn Python or not? This is the doubt student asker. Getting right? If the student is asking this type of doubt, how we can answer? Getting it is one trending joke in the social media. Just is sharing that joke in the form of doubt anyway. So if the student is asking, sir, I have Kala Sarpa Dosha, can I learn a Python or not? What answer we have to tell? Have you observed? So compulsory he has to contact Pandit. The Pandit definitely he is going to tell, okay, whether he can learn Python or not. If the Pandit is telling you can learn Python, then approach Durga Soft. Definitely we will provide beautiful Python training. Okay. Anyway, just I will contact Pandit on this. Have you observed, right? Yeah, beautiful joke about Python. Thank you. Thanks for all.